Hey guys, I know this is late for a review, but yeah, I've decided to bring my Angry Bird. It's not by Little Pony today. You can see that the packaging says right there Stella. So let's open it. I open it, so we have some time. So Stella is my best guess. And reverse. So let's do it. Oh, it's so cute. There you go, focus. Focus. There. Hey, Daddy. Stella. I believe this is Stella. This is 2015 BCP. 2015 BCP removable, made in China, and then it says made in China, I guess. I have to ask my friend from Vietnam. I don't know if she knows how to talk in China, but okay. So, oh my gosh. We are going to try to build it. So I watched the commercials of them, so I believe I have to put it like here. I like how they come with crayons. Oh my gosh, the camera fell. Sorry guys. Just recording this in the kitchen. I believe it goes like this. And I believe you put this stuff on here. So I'm gonna put cutest to weirdest. There I put it, for me, cutest to weirdest. So I think this one is the cutest because face count. So let's see if it says different things. Okay, let me see. I think that the China. Oh, this is Spanish. Iso and China. Okay, Spanish, that's good, that's good. Okay. So here it is.
No contesten, bro.
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I love these crayons. You can actually use them. You can just take them out and rebuild it if you want to, because it's really fast and quick. Like fun build for you. And right here in the middle says Stella. So it'll take a little bit longer. So I'm gonna show you some stuff. I'm gonna show you how to build it this time. You can put any sequel. Go to the back. If you want to add a burst first, that's okay. But here it is. You see this little square thing right there? This thing needs to be in front of it. For it doesn't show. Like that. So it has to be behind here. So it needs to be behind. And if it's behind, it would stand much better. So here it is behind. So you get the crayons, you put it, connect here, like that, swag. So here, and then I and then kaboom, we're done. Yay. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.